Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing power and anchor. This is why stability matters. Surges break synchronization. Once your 5 kW source and 20% backup are confirmed, calibrate the anchor to the target grid with 0.1 degrees precision so coordinates match. Now, engage the safety lock and begin the core sequence using the 3-step key pattern. Doing so prevents random drift. Make sure to monitor the status indicators as you press the launch command, because immediate feedback tells you if to pause or proceed. You now focus on the delicate middle steps. Ramp the field to 75% over 60 seconds to reach operational threshold without overshoot. As you do that, balance phase coils. Adjust coil B by roughly plus or minus 2 units, because centering the interference null stabilizes passage. Once the field is steady, open the microvent and send a bidirectional ping. Verify you get a return within 0.5 seconds, so latency and phase alignment are confirmed before widening the gateway further. You finish by widening the aperture to full operational size, doing it slowly while watching strain on grid nodes so you avoid tearing the field. Once at 100%, send a 1 kilogram test payload with a tracking beacon to confirm stable transit. This step proves safe passage before you go through. If you detect misalignment or rising strain, abort to the safe state immediately and perform a quick resync of anchor coordinates and phase coils. This single troubleshooting tip prevents catastrophic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.